Hey folks, welcome to the Contrarian Trader. This is Bob Desmond. Let's go over some charts of Facebook. I've done a few videos on Facebook. I wrote a couple of blog posts. The videos really surrounded my trades of the stock, how we entered the stock, where we took profits, and I like Facebook. I really do. I think their monetization of the mobile business is very, very good. We were long up until this range right here, and we booked profits once we saw a little bit of weakness. Now we find ourselves about $10 per share below where we exited, and we're looking to get back in, but I question whether or not the support level is going to hold. 46.50 is critical support. We closed slightly below it yesterday by about 20 cents. I mentioned in my blog post, when you're analyzing charts, searching out support levels, and you are watching the stock to see whether or not it'll put in a double bottom or set up for a W formation, you need to give a little bit of wiggle room. Now, I identified 46.50 as being support. When I wrote my blog post on the 11th, we were at 46.30, I believe. And I mentioned then, support levels are like pillows. They're not steel-eye beams. You have to give it a little bit of room. What happened today, the following day? We popped higher and we closed at 46.60. The only caveat is that we have a topping tail. Topping tails equal sellers. And I wouldn't be all that upset with this topping tail were it not for Monday's price action and the fact that we had a topping tail at 47 there as well. So this is setting up the $47 per share level to be somewhat of a resistance. Now, let's drill down to a 30-minute chart. Now, the 30-minute chart is more for the day traders that are out there looking to see whether or not you could score a pop off of Facebook, and there's a good possibility. We bottomed out on the 11th right here at 45.73, rallied up through this primary downtrend line, pulled back, healthy pullback, put in a higher low. Very, very important. My guess is that we pop higher on Wednesday, rally up initially up to say 47.50, and if we do manage to rally through this resistance, and it's going to be difficult, folks. It's not going to be easy to get through this resistance. So if you're a day trader, you may want to look to book profits into this range. And if we're lucky, you may see a short squeeze that'll take you up to, say, $48 per share. My guess is that's going to be the maximum of where we're going to get up to. That'll probably coincide with the upper band of the declining downtrend line on this 30-minute chart. You probably see a stall and then probable rollover on Facebook, and then we'll see whether or not that 46.50 level will once again hold. Another good observation on the 30-minute chart, we pulled back to below 30. That was on the 11th. Rallied, we put in a nice higher low here. Again, reinforcing my belief that we're probably going to see a pop higher on Wednesday morning. Slow stochastics looking good. Remember that these 30-minute intraday charts are quite volatile. So please, I warn you, if you're looking to swing trade the stock, I wouldn't enter it just yet. Day traders, this one might be for you. And that's it, folks. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. If you want to learn how to swing trade stocks the way I do using charts and not CNBC, sign up for the 14-day free trial offer, and I'll add you to the subscribers list. You get free access to the members area, plus my commentary on stocks that we're looking to trade, trade alerts, and trade coach. That's when I give you a second opinion on stocks that you're looking to trade. Take care, folks.